Watch police teaches Karen that she's not above the law because she has a lawyer. Officers passed by a running vehicle that was illegally parked with the driver slumped over at the wheel. As she's approached, she begins acting incredibly entitled and behaves as if no one has any authority over her. She's about to learn.
Roll the window down. How you doing, Officer Lacerda with the Hoboken Police Department? Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? Is there any reason why we're parked here?
Yeah, because I'm waiting for my boyfriend.
We're waiting for your boyfriend? Okay. And what are we doing here? Why you slumped over?
I slumped over there waiting for him to come down.
Okay. And why were you sleeping?
Waiting for him.
Okay. All right, do me a favor. Shut the car off. Let me get your license, registration, insurance.
Why are you driving my car?
All right, do me a favor, man. Just step to the side, please. I'm on motor vehicle. Stop. This is your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. What happened to your head?
I fell and I twist out.
Okay, let me get your ID. You do have your ID. I see it right there.
No, that was my last.
Officer,
You don't have your ID?
Just,
Do me a favor. Just step off to the side for me, please.
why'd you take my car like that, man?
Do me a favor. Just step back a little, please.
I'm taking my step back, but she has
Thank
nothing
you.
to do with anything. Why did you pull her over?
No park here. The corner. I pull up to her. She's sleeping.
It's a
Okay.
parking spot.
Okay. Well, everything's on my body-worn camera.
I'm glad for that.
Okay. Thank you. Let me get your ID.
No, you're not getting my ID. You
What's
could arrest me because I have my.
You
lawyer.
don't want to give me your ID?
Thank you for telling me that.
You don't want to give me your ID?
She does. Who says she doesn't want to?
No, my lawyer's gonna do better.
I want to know what's going on. Why were you slumped over?
Why am I not going to? It's a cold day, right?
It's a cold day. The car was on. You're sleeping. I'm wondering if
And
you're
the
okay.
heater's on.
I understand
No.
that, but you can't be sleeping in the
But you
public
cannot
roadway.
come at me like that.
Like
Do you know
what,
how many
miss?
times I've been abused by men?
Mi-
Oh, no, you
Miss.
don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Let me get your ID, please.
No, you're not going to get anything.
I'm not going to get anything?
I wasn't driving anything, right?
All right, do me a favor. Step
Yeah,
out.
You can.
Step out.
You can. My
Step
lawyer's
out.
going to do better.
Okay, do me a favor. Step out. Get out of the car before I pull you out. Get out of the car.
Excuse me, I would love it.
Please get out of the
You
vehicle.
want to do, right?
Please give me your ID. Please give me your
I
registration.
don't have.
Please give me your insurance.
Brian, where's your registration and where's your insurance? Brian, where's your registration and where's your insurance?
I got my insurance right in my...
And you're in there. Because he has one.
Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
No,
going
she didn't
to.
have to.
Because I wasn't driving.
This is my insurance right here.
Because I wasn't driving.
That's fine.
January.
You were driving. You're operating the
Oh,
vehicle.
yeah, right?
No, she wasn't. She was
How?
parked. She
Because
was
I turned
parked.
on the car for the heater.
She was
because he was
parked.
still inside.
She was
All right,
parked.
thank you for the
She
insurance.
was
Step back, please.
parked, but she
Please
was
step back,
parked.
please. I'm gonna tell you
Officer-
again, or you're gonna get arrested.
Why
You're
you
gonna
gotta
get
put me-
arrested.
Step back.
Why
You're
you
gonna
gotta
get
put me
arrested,
again?
bro.
You're not gonna get told again.
You did not.
I did not
Do
what?
me a
Did I-
favor. Step back from the
Right?
vehicle.
And am
Step
I
back.
not step back?
Step back.
You're obviously not on the right
Step
side
back.
of mine.
Step back.
Okay, you've been drinking. Just step back for me, please.
I'm right here, bro.
Huh?
Insurance.
Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle,
No,
please.
I'm not.
Miss, if you don't come out of the vehicle, I'm gonna have to pull you out of the vehicle.
For
Okay?
what? For sleeping in a car?
Miss, I pulled up. You were completely slumped over. Okay, miss?
This mother
Come out of the vehicle.
spoken. I was sleeping in a car. For what?
Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle, miss, before I pull you out of the vehicle. Please. I need your license, registration. Listen to your lawyer.
He
Okay?
already had it.
I need your license, registration. I don't need insurance. I have that
My
already.
registration is also on my phone.
Okay. Please give me your license before we have to take this a step further.
I want my money.
You got my insurance,
Back
right?
in our-
I got your insurance. Thank you, sir.
Let me give you my registration.
No, I wasn't. I was sleeping in the car again.
Where in the car were you sleeping? In the passenger seat or the driver's seat?
Driver's seat because I turned it on to put it on.
Huh?
It's bullshit.
The vehicle was on. It was here. I was in the sirens. Nothing. Do me a favor. Miss, step back over here, please.
Sorry, want to be nice.
I've been being nice to you. Step to me, please. That's all I've been asking you. All I asked for tonight was your ID, registration, insurance.
I don't.
And it
have
was
my
everything
ID.
else.
Want to look at my wallet?
Okay, that's fine. No, I don't have to go through your wallet. You don't have your ID.
All of a
That's
sudden,
fine.
right? Because there's people here.
Right now, bro.
Now that you're out of the vehicle, thank you. Where were you? Where were you tonight?
Here.
Where's here?
Do you see where the car is parked?
You were in Lola's?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
No? Okay. So when I pulled you over and you were slumped over, you were receiving a couple calls.
It was
Hold on, can I please
cold.
talk? Can I please talk? You were getting numerous calls on your phone. I saw it on your phone, right? I don't know who was calling you, but you were slumped. Hold on. You were slumped over, right? Okay, but okay, hold on. You were slumped over, right? It took me what, 5 knocks for you to actually wake up, okay? Now I have reason to believe when you're talking to me and I'm being cooperative, your eyes are shaking, right? That's what we have, right?
5 officers on
That's
you.
fine. That's why I have an officer. Yes, we're gonna do that. Yes,
Officers on you.
Yes.
Come on now.
we are gonna do
You
that.
don't think so?
So do me a favor, put your purse here.
Don't touch my purse.
Put your purse
I
down,
have a lot
miss.
of money. I could.
Okay, thank you.
Don't touch my
Okay.
If you could just do me a favor, I understand that's your lawyer. If you want to call him back after everything is done, so then you got to put the phone down because I can't test you with the phone in your hand. Okay, thank you.
You can take it back to the phone station. Back blow breathalyzer. Make sure you blow the breathalyzer.
I will. I always do. But this is bullshit. I really couldn't drive the car. This is like coordination.
I'll deal with it later, but just be cooperative. Don't.
I am cooperative. It was that piece of little midget ass piece of shit.
Hey, just talk to him afterwards, okay? I got to get this done. I need you to just move your eyes, okay? It's a test. It's part of the test.
Can I get my coat?
In a second. Just let me finish this.
I have flat feet. You cannot.
I have to test you, okay? It's part of the whole
Mario.
field sobriety.
Do you want me to do the talk walk again? I cannot do that. I have flat feet.
So,
Follow the instructions.
listen, if you don't do the
Okay,
walk and
fine.
turn, your lawyer would gladly tell you that I can just arrest you just based off of.
I'll do it,
Stagnant,
but
okay?
I cannot do it. I have flat feet. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Even my kid has it.
All right, that's fine. People with flat feet play sports, right? So I'll let you get your coat. There's no more excuses from here, all right?
Can respond to the
No
other
excuses.
call. Can you confirm the other was one
Just do me a favor.
Can you feel how cold it is?
I'm
You are
pretty
scared
aware.
a lot.
I'm pretty aware of how cold it is. Just do me a favor. Put your left foot on the line.
One Adams on the outside.
Left foot first.
Responding.
You can do it like that too. Right foot in front.
Oh,
So that
my right foot, my front.
So I'm gonna give you one more shot. Because if
don't
not,
say
then
right
I'm just gonna
foot.
arrest you at this point. Because you're not following directions, you're not being cooperative. I'm giving you what you're asking for. I don't know what they said to you prior to me getting here, and I really don't care. That has nothing to do with me. But I'm trying
Mario!
to. All right. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your phone down. Put your hands behind your back.
And the vehicle has a Uber sign that's lit up on the right hand.
You're recording. Aren't you recording it?
You've been saying a lot of.
And I don't give a
Okay.
I
Okay.
could say more.
You can say whatever you want. That don't hurt my feelings.
Answer.
We can call when we get to headquarters after you get processed.
For what? I literally was laying down doing shit.
Well, they got you
You
on
see a
operation.
cold day? You see a cold day, right?
Pretzels.
No.
Those are pretzels.
And that, do not grab that, please.
All right, well, we're going to take the property. Don't worry about it.
They have my phone!
Okay, you got your phone and let your purse.
123.
I'm not gonna ask you again to back up. Back up. Back up. Back
What am
up.
I doing?
Back up. You're gonna get hit
What am
from
I doing?
obstruction, bro.
What am I doing?
Stop. I said get away from the
walking.
car.
I wanna
Get
get
away
the
from the
purse.
car. I will take the purse.
And what would you do?
And I'm gonna give it to her. Give me the purse.
No, I want to give it to her myself.
You're not gonna give
You're
it
the
to her.
officer that's
You're
arrested.
gonna get hit with obstruction, man. Stop.
Can you sit?
What am I doing?
He can get it at headquarters.
Siri, what's Mario's
Okay.
number?
Go ahead now. You can have. You've been on the phone with your lawyer the whole time. All right, so she gets hit with restriction then. No. Go.
So how would he even do that?
Listen,
Why would he do that?
Marv. Come real quick, 'cause I got stuff. You want to put a leg in there?
No, can you let them know my... We're both of this.
Mm-hmm. I know. I know.
What did I do wrong?
Let's go.
Legitimately, from being in a car and turning it on, thinking it on. Just tell me.
Well, when the other officers get here, they can explain
let
that
the
to you.
recordings let them know.
Yeah, don't worry, we're recording.
Because I know
We
it's
got body
illegal.
cams on, we're recording.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yep. Hold on, you see the red ring? It's on there.
What are you? Are you a bomber or are you a poster?
Yeah.
Are you a puller or a pusher?
Whatever that means.
You know what it means.
Yeah. Oh, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Come on, stand up.
You know, we're gonna go in.
My friends!
So stop. Get up.
You guys
Wow.
me up! What I am? Stop touching me!
Let's go. Stand up, stand up.
Holmes. No, you took my face and I tried to my shoulder.
Okay.
You guys are a piece of
Let's go. You gonna stand up or what?
Stand up for you
Is that
took
what
my
you-
ankle.
I ain't, all right. If you
Oh
say
no,
so.
you didn't, right? No, you didn't. No,
Nope.
you didn't. No, you didn't, right?
Let's go. You gonna go or
Don't
what?
touch me again. You're a man who wants to handle me.
Not
Yeah.
really.
Yeah, no, not really.
Not
but
really.
you are. But you are. Well,
really.
You're gonna treat me good if I treat you good, right? Oh, not trying to put my shoulder.
Not really. Then
I don't go. Understand?
you don't have to. It's cool.
Good.
That's cool.
Good. Good.
That doesn't hurt my feelings at all. That's
It
fine.
shouldn't. You molester.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll just drop something. Right there.
Probably drop your ring.
Whatever
Like all
that
you guys do, right?
means. Drop your ring, whatever that means.
Oh, not her. Are you gonna get up? Not you. Wait, you by yourself. Are you gonna get up? You guys hurt my ankle. Well, you threw yourself on the floor.
You want an ambulance?
I
We got
didn't
an
throw
ambulance.
myself on the floor. You guys had the whole recording right there.
I know. That's why when you pulled from me, and then I pulled you back, you want to fall to the ground,
Is
right?
that what it's called?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called when you call someone else?
Okay. Whatever you say.
Okay.
You gonna get up? If not, then we're gonna. If not, we're gonna put you right on that bench.
You touch me, I'm okay with that.
Promise
But
you.
grab
Okay.
is good.
Let's grab
Or
you
grab
good.
me as you should.
Grab you good. Well, okay. Let's go. Come on.
Don't, no. Don't.
I grabbed you by your arms. Relax.
Oh, you hurt.
You wanna? Could you get in the front and just take this off?
Sorry, guys. Go with the time.
Whiskey 5 2.
That was something else.
She'll you cover.
I keep calling for my lawyer.
No, afterwards you can call her. Yeah, I even let you speak to him on scene, which I shouldn't have even let you. But I gave you that opportunity. That's fine. If that was gonna,
First of all, you didn't give me no opportunity.
yeah, you called them. I could have
said,
easily just took the phone and said
You
you
didn't know
cannot
where
talk
my
to
phone
him.
was, so you couldn't.
You had it in your hand. Let's be for real. Come on. I've been doing this way too long. Yeah, I have.
Both of you guys when you first had the scene.
Okay. Well, we weren't.
Sure.
We were not the ones that were on first on scene, obviously. We came afterwards.
No, I saw first I seen as like newborns, newbies.
Wrong one.